Welcome to my game development stream. As always, first I start my development environment, then I play one round of my game, and then I decide what I work on today. One command in the terminal, start my stuff, wait for a few lines to appear. Still waiting. And one more, it should be ready once in the browser. Localhost for me. Set data, but it seems to be completely fresh. Okay, but with that, music in the middle. First I have to choose a class. Let's take, what do I take today? Musician. If it's aside enemies, I can close them and attack me. The bar above my head is my HP. It reaches 0, I die, and if I die I get a base score based on how far away from the middle I died. It's 2 triangles today. I get stronger. More enemies I kill. Enemies get stronger the further away I am from the middle. And now I play until I die. Und see, let's try triangles for missing damage over time. I'm not sure how I can survive triangles if no guarantee to hit. Speed per unique node, effect size. Let's try size. It helped. I think I still give 100% more. Let's see what happens. shield gain might be helpful. Die. Okay, I cannot survive any further. Is my dead? Okay, unlucky. Triangles are too hard. Okay, let's see what do I work on today. Quiz version is always 284 today. I worked last time on the darkness, but I wanted for continue to do different control mappings. Example mobile, currently game only once. Currently only keyboard mouse. Only add touch and controller in idea. And base idea. So for this I need, also currently can only run in 8 directions. Think check one direction. I think I need to change to what do we call it? Direction and speed factor values, so I can run to more than 8 direction. Only 8 possible. Then I need I need a mapping, then find out or check how other do mobile controls. I guess I will have probably some analog stick image at bottom left. That's what I have in mind. It for check. It's more. I probably have to look into the code. Let's start. I have some tasks. Can probably look maybe place because I mouse position updates. Let's go into a different one. I would have expected, because I roll toward my, so musician will here is a direction. I have a send string for direction as action and some. Okay. Now I want to change this. This means I will break all replays, but okay. These player input. Yeah. I remember I did not do it. Fairway, I have a second. Was it players? Here I have my key code to action. FASD action. This is what I send. This has to change. It's probably all move direction, and I need a value when I press it. To think. I have to look further into it. Player action. Probably can start in main, because here I should register down, key up. I and player input change event. Check. It's an upgrade. Player input T. The move actions are not actually in here. I'm confused. No, I go in here and then I just send it. There's nothing I do based on it. Okay. But I can put in more information. I will no longer be interested in is key down. Have a speed factor. But I need to sense the direction. There's a few things which need to change. I have these. This will no longer be booleans. Don't will no longer need them at all. Move actions also not. Should I just delete them and see how it turns out? Still wait. Let's check something. I send a handle action. I will send the values. I have here move actions. Determine player move. I don't set it. It sets the move direction, doesn't it? Yes. Name might not be. So I still need to know what buttons my client has pressed. So I cannot delete these. Do I have two places where I store this? I should have. Let's find out. Just am here. Don't send anything? No, this wouldn't. Wanted to prevent multiple pressing, I guess. Did I? Key up. I think I did something. And if I press W, that it doesn't permanently send it. Yeah, here I check. This input down and action is input down already. Game client keep binding. Action pressed. Is a string. So I still have to send. This is. If I would have two keys, this wouldn't work. It doesn't matter. later it should be the direction not change. I won't send it. Also something I have to check how controller work. Do they constantly or touch? Find out to know it now. Good code. I mean, this is a key code. So I remember if it's pressed and send it again. For an analog stick, it will be interesting. So I don't know if I can test it here. Think more. I remove them. Put it up. Maybe I just try out and see what happens. Should have problems now. This is actions. It's maybe move action is move action. Simple. So on what part do I start? How to play? See, was it because I differently fix this later. So I need to change how everything works. Keep okay, this will keep case. Index of move action plus action. But this is not done yet. Player actions pressed. This will no longer be. This action is no longer valid. Move action. I also doesn't work. Because I don't know which direction is now behind the key. Can I input already down? I need it. Key code to action. Based on the action, I need some additional payload. Does it work? And I even, it depends on every key I pressed. I keep these actions. Still confused. I think it's actually, I need them and I need to transfer the values. Then I need to undo what I did here. Let's move. No, the way I use move action here is fine. Okay, these are the ones I think I need to remove. It happens. Nothing changes, interesting. Actions pressed. Don't need to know it, so I guess deleting them is fine. For actions pressed, I understand. It's no client based. Let's determine player move direction based on keys. And keyboard in. So let's do keyboard. Need, this will not be actions pressed anymore. This will something else, so let's break it for now. it's only actions pressed of, yeah, no. I have can close for now. Key code to action. Here I know what keys I have pressed and I need to know which keys I need to check. Game client key bindings. Client ID reference, I don't know why. Or I only control my own guy, maybe? Takes a key to action and I search for the keys, which I do not know. I have the information I want in here. So let's say save these somewhere. Then I can check if input already down. And where do I save? Cannot return it and cannot. I need to return something different. Or two things. Could do something like keys, which is just a string array. I don't know why I have a 1, but let's do this. I return to action, but I want to also return this map, key map, and the move keys is a string array. Say oh, now it will be this. A. W. Move keys. No, something. Someone else should complain. Only he. 2, 3 times the same code. Similar code. Towards. Set client key bindings basically. So it's somewhere. Export function set client key. Set client default key bindings. Set or do I create? I need game. Default keys is correct. Key map. I need move keys. And can set this game. What? Oh, didn't thought I copied this whole thing. Surely was it a bit different here? No. So now I have the move keys, the information. Now the move keys, string error in here. No. I need and key bindings. Is your type? You have not a type. Client key bindings. This one. Done. Can use this. And now I need to right, left, up, down. So I want to know what is pressed was not. Do I do a 4? I let's call it at list. Let's start with 2. Right pressed. Move keys for every move key. Move key. AF client key binding. Stop. Get key. And what do I get? Action. Call it action. Activated. Disactivated. This input all down already is no longer required in the wording. I think this value is input already down. Okay, I can check if action is undefined. I continue. Don't need the question mark. Input is already down. Is input down if it's pressed? Action. I think I'm missing other 2 move keys. No, the action. It's F. To action. Do 4. It's 2. F. Top and down, up and down, down, and down. What do I need to check? So white. No, did I copy? White. Paste. Q. Down. And I need to direction and speed vector. Let's call it just vector. Maybe I am now return direction is direction and 0 and vector is 1. I don't have stuff. Now left, right, up, down. I need to check if I used up and down as value. Forgot where. Game model. Play. Yeah, up, down. This fits. Now I need this one. Don't use player. Because it's client related. Here I basically have to set later character direction. Direction is data. Yes, I use, let's call it data direction and data. I think I would it like this. Bigger 0 character moving is moving is to else character is moving false. Something like this. So don't sense this data yet. So need to send this player input should be in here. Forgot how I did it. If I have ability, I have upgrade input code. I send input code. Else if ID game client key bindings here. Game client game key bindings move keys index of key index of it was input code bigger -1. This changes. Let's do else if here. And else if here. Did I lose this? Does it work? It's here. Yeah, I sent game. And direction move data. Let's call it move data by this way. I want a type for it. Put move data. Export type move data. Data move direction. Let's say move action. This does no longer exist. Am I correct? I've taken out the move action. I no longer set them. Need a character. Character, fine. I now want once move data. Once move data. Type move data. Data. Then I could exactly I could say direction. This should work. This does no longer work. Move action just. Know it. And I need to put in this player input, so data, I need move data. I need direction is it mass point random time for flow or times mass by times 2 times 1. Currently don't use it, so this part I don't test. So in the best case, I can still move. I can no longer move. So let's debug. Map out, key down. One is it, I think. In here, I find an action, not undefined, I'm not replaying. It's not the case. It's not part of this. It's not part of this. I hope it's part of this. Perfect. I get move data. Perfect. I send it. And I think I have the... This is no longer correct. I'm in input. It's no longer action, it's just move action. And let's try. No, no, don't. Load. don't take it away. I don't have any. Okay, it reacts. I can move again. Yes, my replace will no longer work. Correct, they will no longer. But now should have. I should try multiplayer. Can still move. Start. See. So far so good. I guess. So far so fine. Now. Something about sending. The action is input already down. I check. I should not resend. Let's verify. Can I verify? Key down. Can I jump? Wait. And this one. Wanted to already down. Okay, it seems to activate. Okay. Now I wanted to change already down. Ding. Where was it? Input already down. Something. Input down. Already down. Based on what happens in. I think maybe already is fine. So this works for keyboard. Change move inputs to action and factor I currently don't use. Let's keep it like this for now. Oops. Nee. Next is I speed factor. Direction. I still only, at least over keyboard, have directions. I think this is more or less a setup. Now let's do touch controls. to be sure GPT can answer in. I need to put anything. Okay, it works. I have a game. I am developing a game. Now I want support mobile controls. I have a player character, a player 2D character. In all directions. D plane. Would I up in I'm developing both again. I want to support mobile controls. So I use a mouse to aim and keyboards on these. Teach. I transfer this to mobile and touch screen. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. This type of drill appears whenever the player first touches the left side of the end of. Okay, interesting. Interesting. Okay. Probably I just start fixed first. That's a dynamic and seems better aiming shooting. Tap to aim, tap again to shoot. Aiming lead shot. Okay, but if my player is centered, I don't need dragging. Swipe up might activate two finger tap. Okay. Yes. Okay, more or less what I thought. So virtual joystick, called a joystick, not analog stick. Joystick at bottom left side. This is the first part. I need to be able to select the class first. Movement. Touch upgrades for using class and touch for using ability 1. So this could be I to do bottom left side for movement. So I don't need to display anything, but I need to. This is fine. Mobile game, how to touch control. Let's see Google for I see some code examples. I even on browser, this is important. This might touch start, touch move, touch cancel. Okay, this is what I was searching. Touch start, touch move. Can I have multiple touch points? Should be. Probably just notes event listeners. There's a touch cancel. And I have a touch end. It's fired when the user puts the finger on the screen. Fired when they move the finger on the screen while touching it. Fired when the user stops touching it. It's fired when the touch is cancelled, for example, when they move their finger out of the screen. Okay. Multi-touch, this is also interesting. So touch areas, global state. Start handler, move handler, end handler, handler. Okay, I can use the same. Pinch zoom. fine. Handle pinch zoom. Is it this V event target touch length? Target touches length. And last in. Specialist device application specific. Somehow didn't get the information I wanted. So he uses a cache as my probably just have to try it. I want the 4 events and that's it, and then I try. In main, I need the AC. I will need new functions. Mouse. Let's say key down. Let's make touch wait. Touch start, touch. To know what values I have. Touch start. I don't think it's a mouse event. Touch event. Let's see. Domain. Touch start. But I twerp it because I want the game. SE is the touch event, yes. False. This is document. This is canvas. Touch is only interested for the canvas. This is a third parameter. Why do I have a false? Tell me. Did it here too? Here not. Type listener. And I don't see it. Let's ignore it. Do these events be different things? he accepts all. Let's do touch, move, touch, and so yes, console event touch start touch and okay. So this way I don't have touch. I need to let's click touch start touch end. Timestamp target so change touches. Confused. Shouldn't I have a position? Touch start. Just information here. Touched. And here I have changed touches, touch list. This is to do if I can have multiple touches. Element. Touches 0, page X here uses touches. Can I simulate 2 touches? No. Move. So I guess I can have multiple touches. To notch. Target touches maybe. I have identified. Confused. So the touch points that we activate will target touch default related mouse events. Guess I take it for now. See, let's just also want to be so zoomed out. Is it? There's some size for mobile T header or something. No, this is advertisement. I think I can. What HTML property do I have? This add correctly on. Oh, let's see if I think this is what I search. Like helps control the layout. Yeah. Natural size. Okay, but this is the tag I wanted. But if I prevent defaults, touch zooming does no longer work. Here. So this should not matter for normal play. It should matter for mobile. So you also need to think mobile. I don't see everything. The size seems. Can I flip? Yeah, this one I think. Perfect. Let's try to it work for this type. So first I need know how to process touches. Keeping here. This is something I need. I think touch doesn't need this. Touch doesn't this because it would be different. I have also UI actions I need to map. This might be easier. To I want to move. Let's start with move. I need move data. Touch start. can touch start. Yes, I can const data and its direction vector 1 direction 0. Don't. So I have client ID. I don't have client ID. Client ID. Client ID. Client ID. Get it from the keybind. It's interesting. Let's don't have them. I can return data. Put down. This information is not even required, is it? Doesn't care for it. And let's also remove it. Here. Still works. I started moving. Again. Touch end. I just want a 0 factor, so moving these two lines. So I just move to the right when I press. Need touch start, change touches. Can you tell me and change touches? Changed. Is this the correct var? Touches. Not change touches, touches. Touches. T. Touches. Here have a touch list. Then let's take touch 0. I have a page and I have client. But I have function. Even touches 0. My position. Relative mode. Set relative mode. Interested, what was this? I have a mouse event. I have an X, I have an offset left. Turns this. This. Relative. Does this have an X value? A client X. This client X for now. I have a target offset. Target does exist. I'm sure. Let's just use value. Um, seeing the direction. Const middle position be game canvas or on the Y F direction middle positive Oh, I'm in touch end. I'm the direction is direction. Let's see. Okay, it was a touch, but he doesn't act on move. Ticket code function touch move. Live event touch event with all touch events. Move does exist. It's just for have some I do this. I touches toggle event. Did I do this? I will touch event. I touch start event game. Same for touch move. And now we should act on Let's remove this so I have spam. I cannot choose, can just move. Basically, if I touch and I should can I determine if my user has a keyboard? Because these keys don't work for mobile. I do multiple, can the last one wins, okay. Also good. I think as long as I don't move, doesn't send new. Okay. Now touch move action. Feels fine for now. Also I need sync. One should be middle dependent, and I don't know how multiple touches behave. That's my main problem. Can I simulate multiple touches? Multiple touches. Okay. Shift mouse click. This is just still one touch. So different icon. Works on device simulation, dev tools. See if what? Let's get die. clearly says developer tools. That's not what I want. I want multiple. Finger. Okay. I still don't see. I press shift. I only have touch start. One touch. Have expected 2 or so. Let's get the move touch in again. Oh no, I did not do it yet, I guess. It's just to make sure. Okay, now I have change touch, target touch. Also move is always touch based. Multiple touches. Touch start. I don't have timer, can I? Where I can activate to have time. So something about touch I do not understand yet. Can I simulate two finger touch Google Chrome on a desktop PC? Response 1, response 2, 1 is enough. Open, inspect, developer tool. Mobile device, I am in it. Touch, multi-touch simulation. 3 vertical dots. Yeah. Wait. In the mobile device, look for the 3 vertical dots. Top right corner of this one. More tools. Touch. Did he call it? Sensors. Tools. Sensors. And touch force enabled. I sure what location. This is something different, I feel. Manage. Sensors. Other sensors? No, I have sensor. Ah, I can scroll down. Touch. It's making sense. By space force enable. Requires reload. Yeah, you can know the two finger. This is fine. This is also true. No. So touch instead of requires reload. Do I need to reload in this way? Do I need to reload? Okay, I think I can close everything here. Let's try. Now I'm force enabled. Close you here. Once I still one touch event. Oh my. Did not change anything. So I'm still as confused. Back to sensor. Was this touch instead of click? Device base. This is force enabled. Does this mean I'm also touching? No. I don't like. Don't zoom out so much. Thing doesn't add up. Sensors here. This is a prevent default. So let's take this out to see. Move. No, have no longer prevent default. Could zoom out, zoom in could work. No, it doesn't react. Interesting. Because I disabled zooming. Let's try a second. See what happens. He doesn't care. Oh, he cares. Okay. He also has one touch only. With zoom. I cannot zoom out. Okay, then it's not so interesting. So ChatGPT told me something which doesn't help. Does it? Google Chrome and us touch force enabled. What does it do? Trigger touch even. Still am confused. Prompt at the top. Did I miss it? Doesn't matter. Doesn't tell me anything more. I don't understand. Oh, we load dev tool. Nothing visibly changed for me. I can still do the zooming. Okay, so I need to find out how I can test multi-touch. So I might need to save the ID, my touch. Act on it. I'm confused. Let's maybe just do. I don't know what I prevent by default. Let's ignore. Let's get. Let's say if I'm on the bottom left. So let's say want to move. Do a move action if my touch is bottom left, let's say. Bottom left here, be a bit much. Let's say some value is corner. Have size. I need to know where. Oh, I also didn't check to check something. Did I place my canvas? Could I just say X 100 pixel? No. Left. Left. Okay, perfect. Thanks. I need to know. Good. Ah, I have a scroll bar. Okay, this is what I missed. Because here I see it. I died. Okay, fine. Oh, if I'm not in mobile, I don't have touch. I want to know. I can change touches. Client X is 230, which would mean screen is Y. Target element, my canvas. Set was it which I use? Set left 202 of the height 400. Did I get my I think I did here. Target offset top, set left. Target set left, set top. Okay, these values are used. They exist, so I can use them too. Copy this again. So I have to take it away. And it's not target. It touches your 0 left. Why does he complete? Why should it not exist? If a target, my target has it. Does my game version care? Target this, and maybe then stop scaring. Perfect. Now the offset 0 is still my action. So I'll do it here for now. I want the touch start. So I need some touch start value somewhere. I Find key binding. Touch start. I just put it here. It's a position. It can be undefined. Currently, I just take one effect. So I touch end. This will mean that game find key bindings. Touch start will be undefined. And the relative position is not set yet. It will be relative position. And it's no longer based on middle position. It will be based on move middle, let's say, call it move middle. This one. And let's call it should I call it move corner? Touch move corner, touch move corner would be x is left starts with 0, y it starts at should I do it up move corner top left, make it different. Top left is x and this minus const touch corner 8, let's say 40. Oh, so I have the top left. Small size, it can be rectangular. So middle position, I'm not interested in middle position. I'm interested in the relative position. Relative position x is gar touch move corner top left and I could get differently. Return, it doesn't fit. It's the other way, if I'm smaller, so I'm outside. Don't do it. If I'm bigger than size, I'm outside. Same for y. And take all the so I'm not in, I return. Else I take it at the start. Take it as and okay, let's try. So if I press here, it doesn't react. If I press here, it doesn't work at all. I think 40 is far too small. I don't visualize it properly. So why does he shoot? Because I'm also using the mouse. Okay, it's not only touch. Okay, this is not a few problems. Can swipe outside. It's not enough. 50, but I need to be inside enough. Else string. This idea works. I need to display something at the bottom here. I come to an end. I don't know yet. Let's move this further down. So low. Don't care for now. Don't spot. Currently I can take it as a first word. I feel like if I'm close to the edge, I'm just interested if the start is here. I guess. Does it? I'm no longer interested if I can know which touch started it. Okay, so the problem is different. Have a touch start. I test if this is a valid touch start. If not, I return. And then I set it. Set one. I had one before, so I allow it. Good. Yes, this is fine. To test, I could this last say if I so now the question is, why does he shoot? Why is it does touch simulate mouse? Is this setting I did do? So I click simulate. Is this interesting? Is this a prevent default? Let's see. Default. Can I? Okay, now I no longer can shoot. So preventing default might help. Touch start, touch move action. For now we'll return a die. Let's just do the move. Let's do both, let's say. Touch T action do event game I do function I want is pair change event do stuff, but I just want to use ability 1. I need stuff, I guess. Just steal and execute. ID this one. Don't know if I need to convert client ID action. Wait one, no, not wait one. Ability 1. Let's key down. I need to do key up then. Interesting. Key up. This position. This position. I don't have a mouse. Into map. in game. I think I use the mouse. I can set it touch cases. Okay, so I need to set this thingy. Let's call by touch. I mean, I do the move action. Calculate the relative position. Let's for now just set it. Let's see what happened. Oh, on touch start. I just do the ability. I don't. I doesn't stop shooting now. Does he? Don't know why he wiggles. Let's go to normal. He doesn't wiggle. Problem for another time. I can move. I can shoot. He both inputs. It's possible to play also very Is this new? Yes. Never noticed. It's definitely new. But I should come to an end, so this is the first version of touch movement. First version, touch move, touch controls. All my replays are broken, so I need all replays new, all replays. Controls changed. Let's just write all down. I start with sniper and builder, tamer, ball, position. These are the ones I do. To check on test replays, they won't work. To do it. This shouldn't make such a difference for performance. Hope everything still works, so I push. Hope everything is fine. At least I can try it. Some visualization. doesn't stop, which is it not well. I don't consider this probably not. This yes. And here for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.